so as you can see here, we're going to construct congruent angles. So I've got angle ABC. I'm going to construct angle DEF, so it's equal to angle ABC. So draw angle ABC. You've got a ray BA, ray BC. Together they make angle ABC. And you've got ray EF. Okay, so now that you've got this, if I can talk, yeah, stop laughing. Now that you've got this all drawn out, you've got your compass, put the point on B, and open it up. You choose how wide, okay, and make an arc. Bloop. Put the point on E, make an arc. Bloop. Okay, so now that you have that, you are going to measure the distance between the intersection of this arc at BA and the intersection of this arc with BC. Measure that distance. Then put the point on the intersection here, EF, and you're going to make an arc that intersects. Now I could go all the way around. There you go. Whoops. And as you are aware, I could do this. Okay, so let's go back. This is the one I did before. Okay, and let's make this purple again. I could go all the way around and notice what happens. It intersects at two spots. So I could draw D, E at the top or the bottom. Doesn't matter at all. And this is green. I hope it's still green. So here and through, and there we go. And I'm going to call this D. Little d, I guess. Okay, I'll pause. Give it a try. If you need to replay it, go ahead. All right, so I'm assuming that you are doing okay with this. If you haven't already done so, do another angle. This is an acute angle. Try an obtuse angle. Copy it. Measure it with your protractor. Make sure that the two angles are the same. And then come back. We'll try one extension of this. Okay, so obviously the next section is going to be how to bisect angles. Remember, bisect means to cut in half, two equal parts. Otherwise, it's not half. So first I want you to draw yourself an acute angle again. See, this is less than 90 degrees, so therefore it's acute. And then restart the video. Good to see that you've got that angle drawn. Take your compass, put the point at the vertex Y. Doesn't matter how wide you have the compass set, and do an arc. You can do a circle if you want, whatever makes you happy. Okay, so you've got that caught up. Now put the point at one of the intersection points of the arc with the rays. A ray just starts at one spot and goes forever in one direction. That's what little arrows mean. Okay, so The only thing that you need to make sure of is that the compass setting is at least halfway across the angle. So here, this looks like it's about 3/4, so it should work. Okay, you could have it be bigger if you wanted to. It doesn't matter. I usually like it about 3/4. And here I will change the color just because some of you might get a little freaky seeing the same things. Different lines, sorry, different colors. So here I can do a circle if you want. There you go. Now I move the point to the exact same spot over here. Now you've seen this kind of idea before when we did a right bisector. Same idea here, except instead of the angle being 180 degrees, this is somewhat less than 90. And I go like this. This intersecting right on the vertex is accidental, not the best idea. I'll do one more after this, but I won't do all the circles. And now I connect the dots, and I will use a different color. Any guesses? Yes, I will use gray. And go here, right through, and I bisected this angle. If you don't believe me, take a look here. This worked out perfectly. Here's the bisector is at 40 degrees, and the whole angle is 80 degrees. And yes, I did stop the video just to make sure it lined up. Wouldn't want to show you a mistake. Okay, I'm going to pause, set up another one, and go through it again. This time I won't draw all the circles because sometimes that confuses people. Alright, so here you can see angle MNO. I want to bisect it. This is an obtuse angle, just to show you that it can work with any type of angle. So, remember, compass point, right on that vertex. Make an arc. Now you set the compass point on one of the intersections of the arc. Now, just to show you that you can use whatever size of arc you want, I'll change this color here, and I'll make an arc. Just remember that it has to go beyond halfway. Now, I put the compass point on the other intersection, and here we go. Now, one of the things I really like about using either a bigger or a smaller arc so that it doesn't cross the vertex like it does here is now I've got 1, 2, 3 points of reference. If all 3 don't line up when you do it, you know you've done something wrong. So that's a really big help in my mind. So I can line this up here, go through, and not too bad at all. Okay, so now I better give this a name. Let's call it MNO, let's call it P. Okay, so angle MNP is equal to angle ONP. I'll get the protractor set up and restart the video, and you can see that it works. Okay, as you can see, I am a genius. This is just shy of 70, and this is a little bit more shy of 140. So like this is what, 68, and this is 138, 137. So it worked, and you can applaud me now. So would you please try a couple of these on your own and enjoy. please subscribe to my YouTube channel.